Hello students, now I am going to explain 9th class maths chapter number 1 real numbers. So already some introduction and some example problems we have completed children. Now example 5 children. So is given like this. Express 3.28 in the form of p by q where p and q are integers comma q is not equals to 0. So that only I have written children. Example 5 given to express 3.28 in the form of p by q. So here 3.28 can be written as 328 by 100 children. Why? Because point after two decimals means two zeros. So do cancellation children. 2 5 are 10 means 250 the 100. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again do cancellation with 2 table. 2 2 the 4. So 1 is the remaining part. So 10 means 2 5 are 10. So here 2 8 the 16, 2 to the 4. So what is the solution children? 82 by 25. 82 by 25. This completes your problem children. Next example 6 children. So express 1.62 bar in the p by q form where q not equals to 0, so, comma p comma q are integers. So you are given to express 1.62 bar in p by q form. So 1.62 bar means, so here write, we can write directly like this children. 162 minus without bar, which numbers are there, we should do subtraction children. So without bar only one number is there, that is 1. So minus 1 by, so under bar how many digits are there, that many nines you should keep children. So here 2 digits, so 2 nines means 99. So 162 minus 1 is how much children? 161 by 99. Is it clear children? Next try this children. So here given to find the decimal values of the following is asking. So 1 by 2 is given children. So in 2 table 1 is not possible, keep the point, means 10. 2 5 are 10. So 10 minus 10 how much children? 0. So answer is 0.5. Next 1 by 2 square. So 2 square means how much children? 4. So 4. In 4 table 1 is not possible children. So keep the point. Means it will become 10. 4 to the 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2 children. Already point is there. Write 0 here. So 4 5 are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So what is the solution children? 0.25. Next 1 by 5 children. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means in 5 table 1 is not possible children. Keep the point. It will become 10. So 5 to the 10. 10 minus 10 is 0 children. Next 1 by 5 into 2 is given children. So directly we can write 5 to the 10. So directly we can write 0.1. Otherwise we can do division like this. 10 here 1. So not possible means keep the point. 0 it will become means 10. So 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So directly you can write like this, or you can do division like this, 0.1. Next in this fifth one children, 3 by 10. So 10, 3. So not possible children, keep the point, means it will become 30. 10 3 the 30. 0. Remainder is 0. Otherwise directly 10 is there, you can write 0.3 directly. Is it clear children? Next in this sixth one children, 27 by 25. So 25, 27. So 25 ones are 25. So 27 minus 25 is 2 children. So keep the point, means it is becoming 20. So 20 is not possible children. Again you keep here 0. Means here also here keep 0. So 25 is how much children? 200. 200 minus 200 is 0 children. So what is the decimal point? 1.08. Next in this seventh one children, 1 by 3. So 3 here write 1. So not possible. Keep the point, means it becomes 10. 3 3 the 9 children. 10 minus 9 is 1. Again point is there 0. So 10 3 3 the 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So same it is repeating. So we can write 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. Next children, 7 by 6. 6 7. 6 1 the 6 children. 7 minus 6 is 1 children. So not possible. Keep the point. It becomes 10. It becomes 10. So here again 6 1 the 6. So 10 minus 6 how much children? 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. So here point is there 0. 6 6 are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. Again same point is there, keep 0. Again 6 6 are 36. Same it is repeating. So what we can write children? 1.1 6 bar. For only 6 it is there bar. Why? Because 6 is repeating. Next in this ninth one children, 5 by 12. So 12 5. Not possible children, keep the point, means 50. 12 4 the 48 children, 50 minus 48 is 2. So already point is there, keep 0. 12 ones are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8 children. So point is there, keep 0. 12 6 are 72. So again 8. So here 6 is repeating children. So 0.416 bar. For only 6 bar is there children. Next 1 by 7. So 7 1 not possible, keep the point, means 10. 7 1 the 7 children. 10 minus 7 is 3. So already point is there, keep 0. 7 4 the 28. Remainder is 2. Means 0.14. 0.14 children. So is it clear? Next exercise 1.1 children. First bit, they have given 2 questions. We will see one by one. A question, write any 3 rational numbers. Write any 3 rational numbers is given. So that only I have written children, given to write any 3 rational numbers. So we can write any 3 rational numbers in the form of P by Q. So I have written 7 by 6, 5 by 12, 1 by 7 are the 3 rational numbers. Next is given children in that B, explain rational numbers in your own words. So given to explain rational numbers in your own words. So Q is equal to open the curly brackets, P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to Z, comma Q not equals to 0. So you can express in your own views. Next is the second question is given like this children. Give one example each of the following statements. Is asking to give one example each of the following statements. They have given 5 statements children. So is asking to give examples. So we will see one by one children. Given to write one example each of the following statement. First question is given like this. A number is rational number but not an integer. So rational number is asking to give example, as well as it is not an integer also is asking to give example. So 2 by 3 if you take children belongs to Q, but 2 by 3 does not belongs to Z. Whatever you are taking example here, that only you should take here, but one belongs to, one does not belongs to, you should take. You should see that condition and take. So 2 by 3 belongs to Q, but 2 by 3 does not belongs to integers. Why? Because integers means positive and negative numbers including 0. That's it. Next, a whole number which is not a natural number. So 0 belongs to W, but 0 does not belongs to natural numbers. 0 belongs to whole numbers, but 0 does not belongs to natural numbers. An integer which is not a whole number. An integer which is not a whole number means minus 1 belongs to Z, but minus 1 does not belongs to W. Minus 1 does not belongs to W. Is it clear children? In this fourth one children, a number which is natural number, whole number, integer, rational number is asking. So 1 belongs to natural number, 1 belongs to whole number, 1 belongs to integer, 1 belongs to rational number. Condition satisfied. Next, a number which is an integer but not a natural number. So number which is an integer but not natural number means, so take negative. Minus 2 belongs to Z, but minus 2 does not belongs to N. So you can take here any negative number children, not only minus 2, okay? Any negative number. So minus 2 belongs to Z, but minus 2 does not belongs to N. So in this third question is given children, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So it is important for 2 marks question. So given to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So already I have explained method 1 and method 2 children. I will do accordingly by method 2. So here A is equals to 1 children, B is equals to 2, N is equals to how many numbers is asking children? 5. So that's why I have taken 5. So we have to consider n plus 1 for any problem, this kind of model problem. So n plus 1 means 5 plus 1 how much children? 6. So whatever you are getting result, that you should do multiply and divide by that result. So multiply and divide by 6. So A is equals to 1 into 6 by 6. So 1 into 6 is 6 by 6. Next B is equals to 2 into 6 by 6. 2 into 6 how much? 12. 12 by 6. So what are the numbers between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6? 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6 are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So in this simplest method you can do children, it is better. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Next in this fourth question is given children, insert three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Insert three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So it is also very important 2 marks question, children. So given to insert three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So same process you should do, children. Here integers given also, rational numbers given also, same process. But small difference you should observe, children, here. So consider 3 by 5 and 2 by 3, children. Both are unlike fractions, children. So convert into like fractions. Unlike fractions means different denominators. So like fractions means you should convert into same denominators. So for converting into same denominators, you should do LCM of 5, 3, children. 5, 3 means 5 into 3. Why? Because both not goes in same table. So 5 into 3, how much, children? 15. So take first fraction, children, 3 by 5 into. So to make denominator 15, which number you should multiply and divide, children? 3. Why? Because 3 5, 5 3 are 15. So multiply and divide by 3, children. So now multiply numerator into numerator. 3 into 3 by denominator into denominator. 5 into 3. 3 3 is how much, children? 9. 5 into 3 how much, children? 15. Next fraction take, children, 2 by 3. So to make denominator 15, which number you should multiply and divide, children? 5. 5 means you should divide multiply and divide by 5. So multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 2 into 5 by 3 into 5. 2 5 are 10. 3 5 are 15. Otherwise, simply, children, here whatever denominator is there, here multiply and divide. Here whatever denominator is there, here multiply and divide. That is the simple logic. So here denominators came same, children, means it is like fraction. So given n is equal to how many is asking to insert, children? 3. Now do the process, same process, children, like above. So consider n plus 1 means 3 plus 1 4. So now multiply and divide by 4, children. So 9 by 15, whatever result we got, 9 by 15 into 4 by 4 means numerator into numerator, 9 4 the 36, denominator into denominator, 15 4 the 60, 10 by 15 into 4 by 4. So 10 into 4 40, 15 into 4 60. So what are the three rational numbers between 36 and 40, children? 37 by 60, 38 by 60, 39 by 60. So that only I have written, children, that three rational numbers between the given fractions are 37 by 60, 38 by 60, 39 by 60 by using this condition. Is it clear, children? In the simplest form you should do, children. If you are doing mean method, it will become very complicated. Method 1, if you are doing means it will become complicated. So is it clear, children? Next, fifth one, children. Represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. It is important for 1 mark, children. So given to represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. So draw the number line, children, by taking denominators as 5 means 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 up to 8 by 5. Negatives also minus 1, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5 up to minus 8 by 5. So he is asking to mark only 8 by 5 here, 8 by 5 circle. Next number minus 8 by 5. So circle minus 8 by 5, children. Is it clear? Next, in the sixth one, children, express the following rational numbers as decimal numbers. So they have given rational numbers, children. He is asking to represent in decimal form. They have given total year 4, 8 questions, children. We will see one by one. So sixth one, given to express the following rational numbers in decimal form, children. So first one, 242 by 1000, children. Here directly we can write in decimal. Why? Because 1000 is there, 3 zeros, point after 3 decimals we can write. So here also in numerator 3 decimals are there. So how much you can write, children? 0.242, directly completed. Next question is given 354 by 600, children. 354 by 500, it is not 600, children. 354 by 500, children. So here do cancellation with 2 table, 2 to the 4. So 1 is the remaining, means 250. 2 5 the 10 means 250 the 500. Next 2 1 the 2, children. 1 carry means 2 7 the 14. Again 1 carry, 2 7 the 14. So 177 by 250, children. So do the division, 250 177. So keep the point children and 0 here. Why? Because not possible, no? So 257 is how much children? 257 is 7 0 0 7 5 35 3 carry 7 to the 14 plus 3 17 1750. So 70 minus 1750 is 20 children. Already point is there, keep 0. So here 250 200 not possible children. That's why 250 into 0 0 children. So 200 minus 0 is 200. Already point is there, keep another 0 means it becomes 2000. So 258 if you do means 8 into 0 8 8 into 0 is 0 8 5 the 40 4 carry 8 to the 16 plus 4 is 20 2000 it is coming children. So 2000 minus 2000 0. So answer is how much children? 0.708. Next 2 by 5 children. So 5 2 not possible, keep the point means 20 5 4 the 20 20 minus 20 how much children? 0. So answer is 0.4. Next 115 by 4 children. So 4 115 4 to the 8 children. 11 minus 8 is 3, bring this by down. Next 4 8 the 32 children. 35 minus 32 is 3 children. Keep the point means it becomes 0. 4 7 the 28 children. 30 minus 28 is 2 children. So already point is there, keep 0. 4 5 the 20 20 minus 20 0. So what is the result children? 28.75. So in this second bit, first one 2 by 3 children. 3 2 not possible, keep the point children means 20. 3 6 are 18 children. Again 2, same process it is repeating children. So 0.6 bar you can keep children directly. Next to minus 2 25 by 36 is given children. So here minus is given children. So that's why you take 36 and write here minus 25. Not possible children. That's why keep point. It becomes minus 250. So 36 sevens are if you teach children. 7 6 are 42. 4 carries 7 3 are 21 plus 4 is 25. 252. So minus 250 plus 252 is 2 children. So already point is there, keep 0, not possible. So 36 0 are 0 means 20 minus 0 is 20. Already point is there, keep 0 children. Next 36 5 if you do means 5 6 are 30, 3 carry 5 3 are 15 plus 3 is 18 children. So 180. So again this is repeating children here. So 0.705 bar 5 bar. Whenever negative is given you should do like this children. Is it clear? Next in this third one, 22 by 7 children. 7 7 22 7 3 are 21 children. 22 minus 21 is 1. So keep the point means it becomes 10. 7 1 the 7. 10 minus 7 is 3 children. So already point is there, keep 0. 7 4 the 28. Remainder is 2. So if you do 1 it will come children. So 3.14. So stop the process after 2 decimals. Next 11 by 9 children. So 9 11. So 9 1 the 9 children. 11 minus 9 is 2. Keep the point. So 0. So 9 to the 18 children. So 20 minus 18 is 2. Again this is repeating children. So 1.2 bar. 1.2 bar. Next seventh problem is given like this children. Express each of the following decimal in p by q form where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. So this is a problem is given children. So we will see one by one. So given to express each of the following decimal in p by q form children where q not equals to 0 and p comma q are integers. So 0.36 children. So this can be written as 36 by 100. Do the cancellation with 2 table. 2 5 the 10 means 250 the 2 1s are 2, 2 8 the 16 children. Again 2 2 the 4, 2 5 the 10. Next 2 9s are means 9 by 25 children. Next 15.4 is given children means 154 by 10. So do cancellation with 2 table. 2 5 the 2 7 the 14, 2 7 the 14 means 77 by 5 children. Next 10.25 children means this can be written as 1025 by 100. Why? Because point after 2 decimals. Cancel with 5 table children here. 1 plus 5 is 0. So how can you do this children? 5 to the 10 means 520 the 100. Next here 520 the 100. So 102 minus 100 is 2 children. So here 5 is there means again 5 5 are 25. Next 5 4 are 20. 5 4 are 20. 5 1 the 5. So 41 by 4. Is it clear children? Next 3.25 children means this can be written as 325 by 100. So here also do cancellation with 5 table children. 5 20 the 100. Next 5 6 the 30. 32 minus 30 is 2 children, means 5 5 the 25. Next 5 4 the 20. 5 1 the 5. 5 3 the 15. So 13 by 4 children. Is it clear? Next 8th question children. Express each of the following decimal in p by q form. So here also is asking to express the following decimals in p by q form children. We will see one by one. So given to express each of the following decimal in p by q form. So 0.5 bar is given children. So whenever bar conditions are given, I already told children, write the numbers. So here 0 is there, write or not, nothing will happen. So here 5 is there, write 5 as it is. By under bar, how many digits are there children? Only one digit. So write 9 directly. Completed. Next 3.8 bar children. So here without bar one digit is there, with bar one digit is there children. So here also it is there, but 0 is countless. So here how can you write this children? 38 minus without bar how many numbers are there? That many numbers you should do subtraction children. So only one digit is there, so minus 3 children. 38 minus 3 by under bar how many digits are there? Only one digit, so write 19 children. Write 19. So 38 minus 3 how much children? 35 by 9. Problem is closed. Next is 0.36 bar children. So you write 0 or not, nothing will happen children. So 36 by under bar how many digits are there children? 2. That's why 2 nines. Cancel with 3 table. 3 1 the, 3 2 the, 3 3 the. Again 12 by 33. So again 3 4 the, 3 11 the, 4 by 11. Next this is fourth one children. See here 3.127 bar. For only 7 bar is there children. So already I told this model K means what you should do? You should write entire number children. 3127 minus without bar how many digits are there? That you should do minus. So without bar how many digits? 3 digits. So what are they? 312. So minus you should do 312 by. So under point after, so under bar how many digits are there? Only one digit. So only 19 you should keep children. So point after without bar how many digits are there? 2 digits. So for that 2 digits you should keep 2 zeros children. Is it clear? This is one of the important and new model problem children. So if you do minus here, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 31 minus 3 is 28 by 900. So do cancellation children here. So here cancel with 5 table children. 5 1s are 5. So 4 is the remainder children. 5 8 is 40, means 8 is a. So 5 1 8 is a 900. Next 5 5 is 25 children. 28 minus 25 is 3. Here 1 is a 31, means 5 6 is 30 children. So 1 is the remaining one. 5 3 is 15. So 563 by 180 children. Is it clear? Next in this exercise we will see last problem children. Without actually dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals. Without actually dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals is asking. Without division only is asking. Means you will see children. See here, first one 3 by 25 is given children. This 25 can be written as denominator part. Right, numerator 3 as it is children. By 25 what we can write? 5 square. So is equals to 3 by 5 square into 2 power 0 children. So here 3 by 25 is terminating decimal. Why? Because here denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n children. So whenever denominator is there in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m, so the given decimal is terminating decimal children without doing division. So directly here 5 square is there, 2 powers nothing is there children. Why? Because nothing is there means what we can write children here? Nothing is there means here 1 we can write. So anything power 0 already we know that a power 0 is 1 children. That's why I wrote 2 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So the denominator came in the form of 5 power m, 5 power n into 2 power m, or 5 power n into 2 power m. So it is a terminating decimal. Is it clear children? In this second one, 11 by 18 children. So first here denominator what we can write children? 18 means 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 11 by 2 into 3 square children. So the denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n children. Here extra 3's came. So extra 3's came is condition failed. So 11 by 18 is non-terminating decimal. 11 by 18 is non-terminating decimal. Is it clear children? Next is 13 by 20 children. 13 by 20. So here try wrote numerator as it is. 20 means 4 into 5 we can write. Again 4 we can write as 2 into 2. So means 13 by 2 square into 5. So here denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m children. Directly we can write 13 by 20 is terminating decimal. Is it clear children? Next 41 by 42 children. 41 by, so the denominator 42 can be written as 2 to the 2 1 the 3 7 the. So what it becomes children? 2 into 3 into 7. So here denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n children. Why? Because here 3 extra came, 7 extra came. So directly what we can say, 41 by 42 is not terminating decimal. It is non-terminating. Is it clear children? So that only I have made a note children here. If m comma n are non-integers, then the denominator, if it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it is terminating decimal. The denominator, if it is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it is non-terminating decimal. So with this your exercise 1.1 is completed children. In next session I will explain next some more problems children. Okay.